Everyone, welcome back to Editing 24/7. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change color of the table. Without any further ado, let's dive right in. First thing first, let's start with making a table. Let's go to this elements and type in table, and here choose a random table. And so let's say I want to change the color of this table, right? I'll make it a little larger so that it's easier for you guys to see. Oops, okay. So let's say I want to change the color. Okay, let's select the whole thing first. And here in the top section, you can see in the very beginning, you can see option of color. Simply type in there. And there comes the various options of color. You can either choose a gradient one or the pink one, or even the purple. It's according to your preference. So yeah, this is how you add color to your border. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.